Okay, we're going to do got another siren for a C55 Amg Mercedes. We are going to take this inner cover off so we can get to it. It should be down in here. Alright, this is the left hand side of the vehicle. So you've got to get your wheel off, get it jacked up, get some blocks under your wheels, get your safety blocks so the car can't fall on you, and then take this cover off, and let's find the siren. You want to get the top bit out first and then work your way along the edge of the guard here. And there's a couple here, a couple bolts here, one over here, and then it's probably worthwhile undoing the undercover 2 bolts that are just down here so you can get the cover off around that. So a couple of clips here, just get this in. And that's it out. And there's the siren there. So we're just going to plug the new one in without removing this and just check the new one works, because it's actually a second-hand one. So we've got our little Torx bit. It's got the pin in the middle. That's the bolt. So the iSoft scan tool is saying that the siren is working. It's not pulling up as a fault anymore. So you need to make sure the car is level, not up on the jack, otherwise it'll think it's getting towed. So lock the car, then open the door. And there you go, the siren's now working. If your lights are flashing and the siren's not sounding, then the immobilizer system is working, but the siren isn't. So now we're going to probably fit it into the car. Okay, let's just unclip this one. That's the one that we know is working, and now it's time to get that one out. Okay, we got the old one. I've just spun around it with the heat gun, warmed it up, got it a bit soft, then got the knife, just done a shallow cut through the bodywork like so, cut it in half, and then we open it up and we find that the alarm is completely shot. Those rechargeable batteries that are in there have completely popped and corroded, come off the circuit board. Try and pull this out. Get this. So that is completely toasted. There's no saving that. That is completely dead. However, if we power the siren up, it might still work. We could use it as a buzzer or something else. But that's definitely going in the rubbish. There's no point trying to save that.